Toyota just unveiled the 2025 Crown Signia at the 2023 LA Auto Show. The Toyota Venza will be replaced by a 5-seat mid-size SUV, set to stop production after this model year. Introducing the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, which will make its grand entrance in summer 2024. This sleek vehicle offers a hybrid powertrain, spacious seating for 5, and a luxurious interior. Available in XLE and limited variants, it's sure to impress. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is equipped with a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine and 2 electric motor generators, resulting in a combined output of 243 horsepower. With an estimated combined rating of 36 miles per gallon, the Crown Signia stands out as one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its segment. Inside the cabin, the driver is greeted by a versatile 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, accompanied by an additional 12.3-inch screen on the dashboard, which functions as an infotainment system. Check out the official video for the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Also, be sure to browse our other videos and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thank you.